Dear sisters and brothers of my YouTube family, today we're going to look at the meaning of this word and an example with grammar. The word is apprise. Apprise. Apprise means inform. Synonyms of apprise are advise, notify. Example: I apprised him that the rent was due. I apprised him that the rent was due. Here apprise is an verb. An verb is one of the 8 parts of speech. A verb is a word that expresses action, state of being, or a relation between two things in a sentence. Example: she is smiling in front of the audience. That aeroplane was flying above the clouds. Thanks for watching. I will be back with another video.
Bye!